Imagine creating a mouth-watering, perfectly baked pizza in just 15 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, 15 minutes. The pizza that I took out from this little gem was so tasty and tempting that vanished in the blink of an eye. Its soft, airy crumb and gentle crisp crust was absolutely irresistible. I couldn't believe it myself that a portable mini oven could outshine my own high-end oven that costed me thousands of euros. This pizza left me in awe, and it was done in less time and at a lower temperature. But enough talk, I want you to meet the star of the show, the HAUSWIRT K5 Pro, the little kitchen wizard that could make your cooking adventures a whole lot easier and quicker. This oven comes equipped with a baking tray, a removable wire for holding molds, a rotisserie fork and spit for roasting food, chips or popcorns, a rotisserie lift for easy removal of the fork or spit, an oven mitt, and a user manual in multiple languages with instructions on using other cooking accessories and information on baking modes, temperature settings, and cooking times tailored to the type of food you want to prepare. The oven also includes a crumb tray for easy cleaning. Now you'll notice the lower heating elements, as well as the upper heating elements with the light currently on. This portable oven has many cooking functions, such as cake, toast, pizza, chips, cookies, bread, but also function for dehydrating, defrosting and fermenting. To operate, simply select the desired function and press the Start Pause Stop button on the display. Additionally, the oven has a preheat feature, and for each function you can adjust the temperature and cooking time. There's even an interior light to check your cooking progress. In the previous video, you saw me preparing the dough for a sheet pan pizza and setting aside 600 grams of dough for this small tray. Please refer to that video for the recipe details. I'm using the same recipe here, and you can find the ingredient proportions tailored to the tray size and desired thickness in the description box. For this pizza, I opted for a white pizza. I baked the dough for the initial 10 minutes. And then I added mozzarella on top before baking it for the final 5 minutes. After baking, I topped it with pesto and sun-dried tomatoes. This combination can be quite bold, but incredibly tasty and savory, making it perfect for sharing with family and friends in small, bite-sized portions. The next day, I prepared another batch of dough. About half an hour before working with the dough that I had left rising at room temperature, I preheated the oven to 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Then I sprinkled semolina flour. Stretched out the dough, transferred it to the baking tray and adjusted it. I added tomato sauce and drizzled extra virgin olive oil. Then bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After the initial 10 minutes, I removed the pizza from the mini oven, added mozzarella on top, and put it back in the oven for the last 5 minutes. I decided to move the tray closer to the upper heating elements to give the pizza a slightly roasted look. And that's the result. This pizza came out thicker because I used the entire batch of dough, but of course you can split it in two to make a thinner pizza, depending on your preferences. Just look at how delicious and tempting this pizza is. And the crumb is so soft. I'll be creating a playlist for this HAUSWIRT K5 Pro portable mini oven, where I'll be cooking various recipes and exploring its many functions. If you're interested, be sure to check out the channel from time to time or consider subscribing. And if you're really eager to get your hands on one of these ovens, don't forget to use the promo code for a 10% discount on your purchase. You can find more information on the website or on Amazon. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.